Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX is here, and it's not just a bike, it's a high-speed revolution on two wheels. If you've been dreaming of a motorcycle that combines raw power, sharp styling, and advanced tech, then get ready to meet your new obsession. Honda has brought back the legendary Blackbird spirit, but this time, it's faster, sleeker, and smarter. Right from the moment you see it, the CBR 1300XX makes a bold statement. The aerodynamic fairings are sharper than ever, with aggressive lines that scream performance. The dual LED headlamps up front give it a predator-like face, and that muscular fuel tank flows seamlessly into the sculpted tail section. Every inch of this machine is built for speed, and it looks like it's slicing through the air even when it's parked. Under the hood, or rather, under the fairing, is the all-new 1,299 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 210 horsepower. This engine is tuned for both high-end power and low-end torque, which means you get explosive acceleration when you want it and smooth, usable performance when you need it. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising the highway, the CBR 1300XX delivers in every gear. Honda's engineers have gone all out with the electronics package. You're getting a 6-axis IMU-based traction control system, wheelie control, cornering ABS, launch control, and multiple ride modes. It also features a bidirectional quick shifter that makes gear changes lightning fast without using the clutch. On the highway, the electronic cruise control keeps things relaxed, while the electronically adjustable suspension gives you total confidence in every corner. The TFT display is vibrant and fully customizable, giving you instant access to everything from GPS navigation to your lean angle stats. Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync your phone, control music, and even take calls while riding. Because why not blend tech and thrill? The frame has been reworked with lighter materials, improving stiffness while reducing weight. The overall weight comes in around 225 kilograms, making it remarkably agile for a liter-plus bike. Combined with its perfectly balanced chassis and new suspension geometry, you get razor-sharp handling and supreme comfort, even on longer rides. The braking system uses dual 330mm discs at the front with radially mounted Brembo calipers and a single disc at the rear. The bite is immediate and confidence-inspiring, giving you the kind of stopping power you'd expect from a superbike in this class. And yes, it comes with cornering ABS that adapts to lean angles in real time. Comfort hasn't taken a back seat either. The riding position is slightly more relaxed than a full Supersport, giving you better ergonomics for touring, without losing that aggressive edge when you're in the twisties. The seat cushioning is improved, and the pillion seat is more accommodating, making it practical for weekend getaways or long commutes. When it comes to variants and pricing, Honda is offering the CBR 1300XX in two trims, the standard model and the CBR 1300XX SP, which includes premium Öhlins suspension and carbon fiber components. The base model is expected to start around $18,000, while the SP variant could push closer to $21,000, depending on your region. In a world full of sport bikes, the 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX is a machine that redefines what a hypertourer can be. It's got the brute force of a superbike, the tech of a flagship, and the comfort of a grand tourer. Whether you're a speed junkie, a long-distance rider, or someone who just wants to own a piece of Honda's legendary performance heritage, this bike deserves a spot on your radar. The CBR 1300XX isn't just a return, it's a rebirth, and it's ready to rule the road once again.